Hi guys, I recently came back from Duxford Airshow. A video of that will be coming shortly, but I thought I'd show off some of the bits I got from the airshow. And well, let's just get right to it. Starting off, we have here a tornado model. I got this for about a £5 at one of the stores, and let's check it out. Just take off the back there. Carefully. Right. So, overall, it looks quite good. Where's the camera? There we go. Looks like an overall good model. As you can see, you've got two little pilots there. One's a navigator, one's the pilot. Yeah, quite good. It's made out of like a metal. Quite a good quality model. Yeah, it comes with this stand here. There's the stand, and there we go. Oh. Don't know if that's going to focus. There we go. It says here, if that didn't pick up on focus, that is a Tornado IDS 156 degrees Gruppo Volo Li Licci 36 Stormo Aeronautica Militia Italia. And yeah, well, you can kind of tell it's an Italian aircraft by that insignia. It's quite good. It's got a nice stand. Definitely good quality for the money I paid for it. It's a bit of a weird, so the bottom half seems to be made out more of a plasticky material, the tops are more metal and the bottoms are all plasticky. Yeah, overall that's a good model. Let's see how easy it can fit on this stand. Here we go. Quite simple. You can change the different angles. We're going to have it up like that. And yeah, that is the Tornado model I brought at Duxford. Next up, we've got another model here, which is a Hellcat. It's quite heavy. Once again, I brought this at the Duxford Airshow at one of the little stalls. It cost me a £5, and overall, from the packaging anyway, it has good quality. It's got like an individual propeller that I need to attach, as well as its own wheels, and I'm not too 100% sure what these bits are meant to be. They're not the wheels, but I'm sure I'll work it out in just a sec. So let's get ready to open this. Carefully. Oh, I say carefully, and I dropped the plank on the floor. I dropped the propeller. Right. See if alright, there we go. That's a bit better. And yeah, here we go. I don't know a little bit to get out first. So here we have the model itself, all the little pieces inside. I don't want to like show it too much, but I don't want all the pieces to fall out. Behind me we've just got the little propeller bit here. So let's get ready to business. Get down to business, however you want to put it. Oh, okay. Wow, that's all metal. That's all metal. Quite a, wow, jeez, heavy. Noticing cuts throughout this video is because my phone kept dropping. Luckily, I managed to find this guy, so I can actually have something to hold my phone. Finally. Anyway, back to it. Where was I? before I was rudely interrupted by my phone dropping on the floor. So here we have the Hellcat, quite a heavy model made out of metal. Quite an interesting design, to be honest. I'm not too sure what like regiment or whatever this is meant to be from. It looks navy anyway, but so it's quite heavy. Got a few little pieces. Got a little bag down here which seems to have the rear wheel, and I'm not too sure what that is. This didn't cut. Oh, there seems to be a rear wheel and an aerial in that. There's the aerial and there's the rear wheel. And yeah, there's also a stand in here which I need to get out. Have a look. There we go. The name of the aircraft, as well as the stick, maybe, I don't know what people call it, the holder, I guess, for the aircraft. Oh, stick that on there, it's quite a push. Now, from what I can gather, we have 2 landing wheels, front wheels, 1 rear wheel in this little bag, and where's, oh no, I've lost something, as well as the propeller. Right, and I believe there's also the ones for if I want a upwards gear. Yeah, look, so there's 2 options. You either have this one, which has, and that's if you want your plane to have upwards gears, or there's this one which you put on if you want your gears to be down, which is quite a nice little feature. Now let's see how easy it is to actually put this together here. Alright, now I've got the propeller, and it should just be able to put it through the little hole there, and yeah, that's on. I'm not too sure about it, to be honest, because it doesn't look properly on, but it looks okay. Spins, which is quite cool. Nice little play feature. I'm not really sure if people would want to play with this though, but it's quite a nice model. And then, as far as I'm aware, you should just be able to stick the wheels in here, which I'm going to have my wheels down. Here we go, that's one done. Now let's put the other. There we go. Both of the front wheels down. Now it's time to put the little rear wheel on, which could be a bit finicky from the looks of things. Quite a hard push to stick this on. There we go. Now we just have the tiny little aerial. There we go. Right, so, let's just stick it in here. So, here we go. The Hellcat model that I got from Duxford. This is the Hawker Tempest Mark V, and I didn't actually buy this from Duxford. It was a gift that I got when I came back home from the air show, because I actually stayed down to see some family and friends for the whole week, and I came back and my dad had brought me this. Very nice model, very nice glass cockpit. Oh, I think it's plastic actually, plastic. Metal model, quite very nice engine design. I'm pretty sure that's more of a vent, if I remember correctly. And overall, just a very nice model, quite easy to put together. You get the plane, have the stand. We now have a few smaller pieces, such as just little things like this. This was the ticket that allowed me to go on the plane that the Queen used to use. I can't remember exactly what plane it was, but it was quite a cool experience. I managed to sit where the Queen used to sit, and I will put a photo of that up in a second. Carrying on, we then also have the ticket that allowed me to go on the British Airliner collection, as you can see. And each one of these was the planes there. The Hermes at the bottom actually got taken away, but they still haven't removed it from the ticket. But yeah, I went on all them different aircraft, and a video will be uploaded shortly about them. From that, we have the program for the Summer Air Show 2023. Here it is, and I will flick through it quickly. Am I doing this the right way? No, I was not. This way. I'm just going to try and flick through it. I can't really. Got some colouring pages. Here we have the Vulcan and the V-Force on this page here. What is that? I'm not quite sure. Here we have the Tornado. That is the same plane that I also got a model right there. These are some of the planes that were flying that day. Let me see if I can get, what do you call it? The flight list. It should be, I think it's on page 8. Am I correct? Here we go. So here are all the planes that were flying at Duxford Air Show Summer 2023 on the 25th of June. And yeah, these are all the aircraft right here. Unfortunately, the Sunday when I went, the B-17 could not fly due to heavy winds, and I missed out on seeing it, but I still got to see it quite close up and take some nice pictures of it. This year was Duxford's 50th anniversary, and because of that, they had a special coin that you could purchase. Here it is. It has a Spitfire Mark V, I believe. Oh, hang on, Mark 14? Really? Okay. Spitfire Mark 14 from the looks of it. Yeah, quite a nice coin. On the back it says Duxford 50th Air Show. And yeah, overall just a nice little coin, nice little collector's item. Quite heavy. Might be worth something someday, but now. It's going to sit on my wall and look pretty. It's not much here, so it's just a little red arrows band that I can put on my wrist, and I'm going to put it on for the remainder of the video, I think. Yeah, why not? And yeah, just that. And I might as well just carry on. We have a little badge here, which is of a Bristol Blenheim Mark 1. And I might as well carry on with the Bristol Blenheim Mark 1 because it is quite a cool aircraft. The only remaining flying one was the one that was flying at Duxford. So my air show.
Landing on the aircraft restoration company's Bristol Blenheim 1F.
So yeah, I've got that nice little badge, as well as this, which I think is really cool, and I'll show it to you now. Make sure it's the right way now, isn't it? It's a really cool Bristol Blenheim photo, well, painting, and I really like the look of it, so I bought it. And I've also got this tiny little photo of one. The last thing really is just this, a keychain that says removed before flight, and has once again got Duxford 50th anniversary. Duxford Air Shows 50 to celebrate their 50th year of being Duxford, really. They first started in 1970, and this one here I didn't get at Duxford. This was at Cosford. I got this. Anyway, thank you. Hope you have a good day. Sorry if this video wasn't that great. It's my first time ever doing anything like this, and hopefully I'll get better soon. But please like and subscribe, and I promise the content will get better. I'm still learning, and hey, I'll keep you updated as much as I can. Have a good one.